Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Adrian, the number one finance channel, which you have to subscribe. Absolutely, click this button. So, today I want to show you how the Amazon Seller Center works because I think it's very overwhelming and very tedious task. It's so many buttons and so many stuff around, and it's very complicated to use, and it takes me a lot of time to learn and how to use it. And I will show you today in this super quick video, and so you're not gonna have to mess around and maybe do some mistakes inside because it can be done. And yeah, let's hop into the video. So this is the Seller Center account. So it's what you will see when you basically starting, assuming you have registered for an account, is what you will see. So let's start from the first, which is this tab, catalog. It's not so explanatory what this means, but if you roll over with your mouse, you will see it's will appear these three tabs: add product, complete your draft, and view selling application. First tab, it's what it say, add product. So basically will be this tab where you will add your product, and yeah, you just type in the name of the product, let's say Lego for example, and you can hit search. They will show you all of this product if you're selling a brand product, or if you're selling a brand new product. Um, I am the a product is not sold on Amazon. So pretty much it. You choose your category, but I think I have to do a complete separate video for the how to add product to the a new product to the Amazon. So the next one is complete your draft. Basically it means if you have a product that you didn't complete it, you click this button, it will appear up here and you can finish to complete it. And yeah, the next tab is view selling application. So yeah, this tab is very important. Basically here it's the gated or ungated product, and in when you started out you will be gated in some category because you don't have any track history with the Amazon, and they're not gonna allow you to sell every branded product that you want to sell it, so you're not going to be able to sell it. And in this tab you can apply to sell it if you want. So it's very simple. You go to application and they will ask you some information about what you want to sell and all the stuff like that. Okay, the next tab is inventory tab, which is the most important tab, which you have to absolutely know how is it and how it's work. So this is the inventory tab. So you will see, how you can see, you have a lot of subcategory, let's say like that, and it's probably, I don't know if you need it all, but I'll go over with all of them. So first off, it's manage inventory. So basically it's self-explanatory. It's your inventory. Will show you here what you have listed on Amazon. And yeah, let's, and you'll get some information about your products, or the listing, the picture of the product, date created of the product, availability, how many you have in stock, estimated fees for the sale. When you make a sale, if you can click here, it will break it down. Referral fee, again, again you have taxes to pay and whatever, but this will be for another video. And price, you can hear your price, and lowest price if you want to buy the buy box. For if you don't know what the buy box is, very quick, you have to win the buy box to have sales, and usually the lowest price and the fastest shippers get the buy box. But I'll do a complete separate video for the buy box if you want to. And yeah, this is like, this is the inventory tab and where you'll see the product. And if you can see, this one are FBA, because I can't choose how many I want, because it's what they have in their warehouses. So this is MFN, fulfilled by merch, and this is FBA. So this is the inventory tab. The next one, manage FBA inventory. So basically this is the same thing, but only for product that you have in the FBA warehouses. So I have this availability 2, 4 of this one, and so on. You manage the inventory that you have on the FBA, and here you can edit the list, manage images, copy listing, and all this stuff that you need your listing, delete, and so on. Okay, the next tab, manage seller fulfillment prime. So basically, in order to get the prime badge on your product, normally it have to be on the FBA in their warehouses. But in some cases, you can get the FBA badge without you shipping the product in their warehouses. Actually have it in your, if you can deliver very fast in less than 2 days shipping, and you meet their criteria on the in the customer service and in the defect rate and all the stuff like that, they give you a prime badge. With, you have to apply for this, but it will be without shipping in their warehouse. You have to keep it in your warehouses. So yeah, I don't use this tab for now. Next one, inventory planning. So this one again, it's planning the inventory that you want to, you are low on stock or want to restock it. So they'll give you some suggestion, like you can see here, Amazon, what you want to restock. And again, this tab here, inventory age, so for how long your inventory is sitting in their warehouses. So how you can see, I have 92% of my inventory sitting less than 90 days, and 7% of inventory say between 91 and 180 days. So some of them will sell faster, some of them will sell slower. So yeah, this is inventory performance index, which you can find also here, and this is again very important. I think we'll need absolutely another video for only to explain the inventory index performance, but yeah, let me know in the comment down below if you want a video to explain this. So restock inventory, again under inventory tab, will be again the product that you have in their warehouse, FBA, and they'll give you some suggestion, like you see here, recommended replenish quantity. So they'll give you a recommendation how many units you should restock, like today. And you see for this they give me none, because they kind of selling slowly. But yeah, it's, they give you something today, it's not gonna affect your seller or something, but it's their suggestion, like they kind of know how many you will sell in the future, and they want you to have it in stock. The next tab is manage excess inventory. Basically, it's, do you see now it's empty, but it's basically will appear only when you have unfulfillable inventory. So if someone damaged it in their warehouse or a customer return and it's unfulfillable, can be resold, it will appear here and you manage it, you take it back home or you send it for destruction with Amazon if you want. I always take it back home and try to resell it in some another place like Facebook Marketplace or maybe eBay or whatever. um, Inventory age, this is very self-explanatory for how long kind of your inventory sits in their warehouses. So it's like it, they give you some information here, like for example, sell-through rate. This like it's 9, and basically means is every 100 people that view this product, 9 of them buy it. Fixed standard inventory. This is again if something it's this is some if it's something it's wrong with your listing that is blocked, or you for example send it the inventory to their this is only for however this is only for FBA. If it's fulfilled by merch, it's not gonna affect you, but for if it's any issue with the listing and it's not visible on the customer, or it's something wrong with it, or the product is doesn't match, or any type of reason why the product is unfulfillable, it should appear here which one, and they give you the reason why and what should do. Like for example, the title, it's some word that shouldn't be in there, or it's the wrong items arrive from their warehouse, any kind of reason, with it will appear here like in fixed standard inventory. This is brand new tab, so I didn't use it too much, but yeah, this is what basically mean. Product via upload. This one I never use it. It's I think it's yeah. If you have a CSV file with all the data in with the product, you can just upload here the CSV file, and they will add all the data of the product, like title and whatever you have in those files. They will be automatically uploaded here. The next one, sell globally. This is like kind of important, like because if you sell globally, like in other marketplace, for example, you have multiple uh, marketplace. Have you can see here link an account. I think they will link it with my UK because I sell only in the UK. And if you want to sell in other marketplace, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, let's see, Asia, Pacific, Middle East, North Africa. Yeah, you can create accounts with that you can be linked back to your one, or you can create I think a new one for this marketplace. I never use this tab, it's only in here just to, if you want to use it, it's in here. uh, this is another tab that I'm not sure. Yeah, it basically is the same, like register if you have VAT, seller identification, uh, Europe only, Japanese law. Yeah, if you sell in those other marketplaces, they'll need some identification documents. Anyway, you'll need it also for if you sell for example, in UK or US, you still need it to be identified who you are, where you live, and all the stuff like that. Next one, manage FBA shipments. This one, it's again it's a tab that you will use a lot. Basically, here will be the shipment that for the product that you send to Amazon, and will appear in this tab here. So how you can see, I have a lot of shipments, and here you can track it, and you see created date for 5th of August, which I created shipment. Last update 26th of August. So basically, I think when they close it, they say everything is okay, we receive your item. And you see I have one MSQ, and ship it 5, receive it 5. and you see here is some issue. Have 3 MSQs, ship it 16, receive it only 13, so basically 3 of them they are lost. Anyway, I have an entire video about how to ship inventory to the Amazon warehouse, which you can click right here if you want to see it. And I tell everything that you need to know how to ship the inventory to the Amazon warehouse. So I will skip this part. I realize the video is getting too long, so I think I'll stop it here and I'll do the part 2 about the next steps. So yeah, thank you for watching and leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the part 2. Bye bye.